Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to create a AMI user in Issabel. First go to Issabel PBX and then an embedded Issabel PBX. You will see this security message. For solve this, in security advanced setting we should enable direct access. As you can see, now you can enter this mode. Now go to Asterisk Manager Users. Here you can create and give any type of access to the user. Thank you everyone to follow us. Please don't forget subscribe and like.